Hello, tutor and classmates. My name is Daniel Morales. I have 34 years old. I'm from Bogota. I'm living in Funza, Cundinamarca. I'm a sales manager in Lácteos del Cesar. I live with my wife and children. I'm studying industrial engineer. My favorite hobby is read book. My favorite food is burger with cheese. My favorite TV show is Dragon Ball Z. My favorite sport is football soccer. And I tell you how is my daily routine. First, I wake up at 5 in the morning to get ready and take my daughter Dana to school. Then in the car I'm going to Bogota to visit the clients. Breakfast and lunch outside the house. After lunch I go to the office and do my administrative tasks. And 3 to arrive the 6 in the afternoon to share with my children in my house. Bye.